Do you know apple cider vinegar has some amazing benefits everyone should know? Apple cider vinegar is mostly apple juice, but adding yeast turns the sugar in the juice into alcohol. This is a process called fermentation. Bacteria turn the alcohol into acetic acid. That's what gives vinegar its sour taste and strong smell. Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a home remedy, used to treat things like sore throat and varicose veins. There isn't much science to support the claims, but in recent years, some researchers have been taking a closer look at apple cider vinegar and its possible benefits. Here are 11 of the most impressive benefits of apple cider vinegar. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has a high amount of acetic acid. Acetic acid has been shown to suppress appetites and ultimately reduce water retention. Other studies have also reported that apple cider vinegar aids in breaking down fat. For fat loss, incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily foods by doing something as simple as adding 2 tablespoons to your salad. Cellulite reduction. Apple cider vinegar aids in properly storing and breaking down fat, both being essential factors in cellulite reduction. For increased cellulite reduction, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of oil, such as coconut oil, and gently massage problem areas in circular movements. Blood sugar regulation. The effect of apple cider vinegar on blood sugar levels is immense. As mentioned, apple cider vinegar interferes with starch or carb digestion and slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. With this, there is the stabilization of blood sugar levels. Several research studies have also concluded that any vinegar may help lower glucose levels. To prevent blood sugar spikes, take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed. Healthy heart. The apple cider vinegar's high acetic acid content can reduce blood pressure and LDL, or bad cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to decrease triglycerides and low-density lipoproteins, or LDL, levels in your blood and increase the levels of high-density lipoproteins, HDL, or good cholesterol. Add flavor to your dishes and work toward a healthy heart by adding apple cider vinegar to your daily meals. Free radicals. Many of us have heard of healing antioxidants that reduce free radicals in our bodies. Some examples of these antioxidants are various fruits and vegetables. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can damage cells and tissue. Sprinkle apple cider vinegar on fresh fruit and vegetables to boost antioxidant benefits and add flavor. Anti-aging. The antioxidant properties of apple cider vinegar can also help slow down aging. Apple cider vinegar slows down aging by maintaining the stability of the acid-base balance in our bodies. Besides incorporating it into our daily foods, you could also use apple cider vinegar as a tonic to the face by placing some in a spray bottle and diluting it with water. Treats blemishes. The tonic properties of apple cider vinegar also help exercise your pores and treat blemishes. Apply diluted apple cider vinegar on a cotton pad and dab on the blemishes to dry them out and speed up the healing process. Osteoporosis treatment. Apple cider vinegar aids in the nutrient absorption of calcium, an important mineral in the prevention of osteoporosis. Please include it in your meals to enable proper absorption of calcium to build stronger bones. Sore throat remedy. Due to its antiviral and antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar can also be used to soothe a sore throat. Gargle a diluted apple cider solution for immediate relief. Sinus relief. Apple cider vinegar's potassium and acetic acid both aid in congestion relief. Mix 1 teaspoon or up to 1 tablespoon in a glass of water and drink it to drain your sinuses. Hiccup cure. Apple cider vinegar can restore the acid balance in your stomach, a common cause of a hiccup. Gargle with a diluted solution for relief. Bonus tip: apple cider vinegar has many beauty, household, and cooking uses. These include cleaning, washing hair, preserving food, and improving skin function. Takeaway: apple cider vinegar is an extremely versatile household item with many different uses. It can be a cheap and easy way to tackle many problems around your home. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on your screen you should check out. They'll help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video.